In this video, I will guide you on how to connect Bluetooth earbuds to your PS5. And currently, my Bluetooth earbuds over here are connected to my PS5. So if I place the mic on the Bluetooth earbuds, now you should be able to hear the audio from my PS5 coming out. So as you can see, the audio is currently coming out from my PS5 and it comes out really well. So basically, I'll be showing you how to connect any Bluetooth earbuds to your PS5 just like this one in this particular video. Now, first things first, if you have actually tried connecting any Bluetooth earbuds to your PS5 directly to the PS5 console by simply going over to the accessories option, trying to search for your Bluetooth accessories, you're going to find out that your PS5 should be able to find the name of your Bluetooth earbuds, but you won't be able to connect to it. So if I try to connect to my Bluetooth earbuds now, it won't be able to connect. And that is particularly because PlayStation does not allow you to be able to connect to third-party Bluetooth devices that are not from PlayStation itself. And because of this, for you to be able to connect any Bluetooth earbuds to your PS5, just as I have shown you in this particular video, you will need to get a Bluetooth transmitter device just like this one over here. Now, the one I have is actually a Bluetooth transmitter and a receiver, but particularly what you want to get is a Bluetooth transmitter. And if you can get the one that is also a Bluetooth transmitter and a Bluetooth receiver just like this one, it is also good. I'm also going to be leaving a link to this particular device in the description of this video in case you want to get it. There are actually different kinds of this particular device, and there are some that does not come with a USB dongle, but actually a USB-C dongle that you can actually connect directly from the front of your PS5. However, for the one I have over here, it is a simple USB dongle Bluetooth adapter that simply takes the audio from your PS5 to any other Bluetooth device. This particular one also comes with this headphone jack to headphone jack cable over here, but we are not going to be needing this because it is actually for the receiver feature, which is what we are not using in this particular video. All you just have to do is to go ahead and connect this device to any of the USB ports at the back of your PS5. If you got the one that actually uses a USB-C, then at the front of your PS5, you're going to see a USB-C port over there. Just go ahead and connect it. For this one, I will connect it to the back of my PS5. And once you plug it, the blue light on this device will automatically start to blink, indicating that it is now on pairing mode and ready to connect to any other Bluetooth device. Once the device is now on pairing mode, you basically just want to make sure that your Bluetooth earbuds are also on pairing mode as well. The way you put your Bluetooth earbuds on pairing mode can actually differ for different Bluetooth earbuds, but in most cases, you just want to go ahead and long press on this button at the back of your Bluetooth earbuds and it should be on pairing mode. In some, you will just have to remove it just like so. So as you can see, the lights are actually going to start blinking after some time, and once it becomes steady, it will actually connect with the PS5 over here just like so. And as you can see, it has just connected to my PS5 as well. Now at this point, the audio from your PS5 will automatically start coming out from these Bluetooth earbuds over here. Meanwhile, if you're having any problem, what you want to do is to head over to the sound or audio settings of your PS5 over here, and then under input device, you want to select this and make sure you select USB headset, which is basically the USB device we just connected to our PS5. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.